Hello everyone, let's learn how to add music to your Instagram posts. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to effortlessly add music to your Instagram posts, transforming them into captivating visual stories that will leave your followers mesmerized. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, open Instagram app on your device. After that, go on this plus button on the bottom of the screen to upload a photo. Next, select a photo you want to upload and go on next step. Now you are on menu to edit your post, and next you need to do is to click on Add Music field. Now on this menu you see a lot of music. You can select the music Instagram recommended you, or you can go on Browse, or you can search for music you want. Then you find a music, click on it. Now Instagram recommended you a most popular part of song, but you can select a part you want. And you can choose clip duration, maximum is 90 seconds, and go to share a post, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.